Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Myself Mohammad Zahid Hussain, physical science teacher working in a government high school, Jangamet, Hyderabad. I am thankful to the organizer for accepting my application and I am very happy to participate in this contest. My topic is 5 factors that distinguish online teaching from classroom teaching. Both online teaching and classroom teaching has pros and cons. So the first one is flexibility in teaching. In online teaching, teacher has more flexibility compared to the classroom teaching. In online teaching, teacher can teach from home, whereas in classroom teaching, teacher has to travel from home to school or college to give lecture. So this is the first one, which first factor. Then second one is the understanding concept. So in online teaching, sometimes students may feel difficulty in understanding the concept, and it depends on the ability of the student. Whereas in classroom teaching, teacher has face-to-face interaction with the students, so there only the student can ask doubts with the teacher and understand the concept. This is the second factor. Then third factor is resolving the queries of the students. In online teaching, resolving doubts of the students may be difficult. Even though nowadays we have live online classes, but still some students feel difficulty in clarifying the doubts. Whereas in classroom teaching, teacher has face-to-face interaction with the students. Student can ask doubts that time only at the time of lecture, and he or she can clarify the doubts. The next one is instructions. In online teaching, the instructions are given in the form of multimedia method like videos, animation, multimedia effect. So the online instructions will be very beautiful. Even the kids also feel very happy because of the background music and different kind of animation method. Whereas in classroom teaching, the teaching method is normally face to face and by lecture method. So student sometimes feel unhappy and bored in classroom teaching. Whereas in online teaching, the instructions are very beautiful. So this is the another factor. Then the next one is the cost in teaching. In online teaching, the cost is less compared to the classroom teaching. As we know that in online teaching, a teacher can teach from any corner of his or her home, but only thing is he should have a laptop and internet connection. With these devices, he or she can teach very easily. The cost is less. Whereas in classroom teaching, the cost is more. The classroom is brick and mortar, and the teacher has to travel from home to teacher and student has to travel from home to school. Again, the transportation cost also increases, and thereby it will affect the environment also, and it creates transportation also create a lot of pollution. So this is another factor which uh, which is in classroom teaching we will find this type of difficulties. Then we have time also. Another factor is uh, time is less in online teaching. Teacher can teach in short time, more concept can be taught in less time, whereas in classroom the time is more. Teacher has to maintain the discipline, teacher has to check all the students attendance, and it will take time. Normally in classroom teaching, the time period will be from 40 to 50 minutes, whereas in online teaching, teacher can teach in 30 less than 30 minutes of time. So these are the 5 factors which differentiate from online teaching to classroom teaching. Once again, I thanks everyone. I thank you all for watching this video. Thank you.